Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with this Pebeo glitter. I think it says gel. I don't know. Because I have one that says acrylic paint, but here it says gel, so I don't know. You probably know Fozia. She did an amazing chain pulls with those glittery paints. She was teaching this in Dublin, and painting was looking amazing, so I was just thinking to try these glitter paints that I have in my home, just to see what will happen. I have a few of them, different ones, but I don't know if this will work at all. But if you don't try, you don't know, so I will try today. Okie doke, so let me soak this into that gel. I don't know if this will work. We will see. It looks kind of similar to what she uses, and should have done it the longer scale. Yeah. Probably this is not the right paint, but I will play with this anyway. So I need to load it a little on the longer scale, I think. She told me what she uses, but I can't get it here in Slovenia, so I just want to play. If you don't know her, definitely have to check her Instagram. She's more active on Instagram than on YouTube. Not the look that she gets, but I will just keep on going with this. It's kind of cool and classy, I don't know. is definitely way different than Fauzia's, but it's kind of cool, elegant painting. I don't know which way. I like it more probably this way. Has some beautiful shimmer, but this product is definitely not the right one for the technique that Fauzia does. You see that shimmery look. So I will try some other glitter paints, but I will keep this one anyway. So thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!